started from... Hi. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I already had my hair done by a really amazing artist. I'm kind of like bent over the way my camera is, or not even my camera, I'm using my phone to do this today. The way it's set up, this is where we're at. So my hair has already been dyed this color that I'm going to be using today, but it's just faded a little bit. I'm actually really digging the color that it's faded to. So the color that we're gonna be using, again, I've already used it on my hair. This is a look for sure. But I just wanted to kind of refresh the color, make it a little bit more vibrant. So I also wanted to like record this so you guys can see the product in action. You don't have to like mix it with anything. I've seen girls mix it with conditioner, like a white conditioner, and my stylist told me that I can just put it on all over my hair, roots to ends, 30 minutes. Ladies, let me know, like when you're on your period, do you notice that your hair is super oily? And it's only like that like the first couple of days of bleeding. I'm gonna get on my knees here. That could be a huge problem, that window. I think this is cool. Shit. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do, should I do my roots or the bottom? That's my song, by the way. Check it out on SoundCloud right now. So today I'm gonna be using the Pravana Chroma Silk Vivids. Real quick, this stuff, again, I've already used it. My hair felt so good. It still does. It feels like amazing. You know, her lifting and putting color on it, my hair feels really, really, really good. So this color did not do any damage. I've used colors before and they feel chalky and just super gross. This hair color is incredible. This isn't sponsored either, by the way. My hairstylist actually put me on this. It's amazing, you guys. It's incredible. So if you do want to like play with color and you're scared because you don't want to damage your hair, I was there. I feel you. It's freaking scary, especially when you like get bored with your appearance like I do. So yeah, 5 out of 5 stars. So let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm just gonna, okay, all right, we're just gonna go in. I guess I'll just start at my roots and then just run it through. This stuff smells incredible. It smells so, so good. It's pretty thick.
That's what she said.
So the reason why I'm using my, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm making a mess. The reason why I'm using my phone to record today is because all of my cameras are dead. So I was like, you know what? I need to just use my phone to record because I need to get a video up. Definitely start it from the bottom of the tube, like duh, and push up. Don't start in the middle like me. Don't be me. I'm scared. Okay, we're just gonna clip that up. I went in with my hands. I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. It's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. I just am so shocked by like how soft, it's so like soft and healthy. So this is the finished results. I am super happy with this color. I see myself having this color for a really long time. So yeah, I gotta go get my kiddos from school, and I will see you guys in my next video.